This is where AI has become a game changer. Not just treating illness, but preventing some of the most dangerous problems not many know until something goes wrong. AI comes in there. AI had changed so much in sepsis. Sepsis doesn't always start dramatically. Sometimes it's just a mild fever, a small lab change, a subtle shift in heart rate or breathing. Easy to miss, but a subtle shift in heart rate or breathing can be tracked by AI. By the time we recognize the sepsis, it might be too late. Organs may already be struggling. This is where AI makes a big difference. It can scan thousands of data points at once, labs, vitals, trends over time, and detect dangerous patterns earlier than we can. Sometimes hours earlier. That means earlier antibiotics, earlier intervention, few ICU stays, and a lot of lives saved before things get out of control. Those are the times when AI can guide you. This is just using care wisely, getting the right care at the right time. So here's the question. Would you trust AI to help guide your healthcare decisions before things get serious? Drop in a comment below and follow eHealthyinfo for more real, myth-free medicine. We got you.